Hey everyone, this is my experience in a low budget stay in Nairobi. So without wasting time, let us do a quick house tour. So this is the entry point to the house, and guys, what is the most surprising thing is that this house is only 2,500 Kenyan shillings. That's about $20 for a period of 24 hours. That's a very nice deal, especially if you are traveling to stay maybe for a while. It's cheap, and I think, to me, you will have everything you need. You can cook your food here. The house is super clean. Only $20 for a period of 24 hours. So everything is cool. Let me show you the washroom. It's super clean. You can see it has a hot shower, and everything seems cool. You can see. Yeah, so this is where you'll be keeping your stuff. If you have some guests, they will stay here. Also, we have a dining set here, and everything looks pretty cool for $20 for a period of 24 hours. Guys, this is one of the best deals you will ever meet here in Nairobi, and if you are interested in it, kindly let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to do more a review on cheap deals within the city, you can as well let me know in the comment section. So the house is super cool. It's very clean. Look at the curtains. Everything is super cool. So till next time, thank you guys.